Welcome to gptdashboard.com, your ultimate tool for diving deep into your ChatGPT conversations. If you're visiting the website for the first time, I recommend checking out the guide page. There, you'll learn how to export your chat conversations effectively. Simply follow the steps, and you will be ready to explore your data. At gptdashboard.com, protecting your data is our top priority. We guarantee that your data stays private and won't be shared with anyone. Our website works smoothly both online and offline, so you can securely upload your data without an internet connection, ensuring your information is seen by you and you alone. Starting on the home page, uploading your conversation data is a breeze. Simply drag and drop your conversations.json file or click the Upload File button to begin. After some time, depending on the file size and how powerful your computer is, you will be notified that the first part of your analysis is complete. Click Visit Your Report to proceed. Your main dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your chat analytics. The first section contains general information, including total chats, total messages, average words per message, days since the release of ChatGPT, average messages per chat, total models used, total amount of words sent, and information about the weight of the text you have sent to OpenAI. The second section contains information about the first and last messages, including the time when you sent them. In the next sections, you can discover patterns of individual time preferences. You'll learn about the times messages were sent, with additional information on activity distribution. Following this, you can see how many chats were created or messages were sent over time. This can help you identify periods of increased activity, usually linked to projects or specific tasks. You'll also learn how many messages were sent by each user. The roles are categorized as an assistant. Think of this as the chat assistant, user, you, and others, which include, for example, plugins. The next module provides information about the words sent by the chat and you. This can help you visualize the difference in the amount of words sent by the chat and you, with the chat usually creating significantly more content than the average user. In the following module, you can explore which models you have used over time, including the number of interactions with those models. If you've been using ChatGPT since before the GPT-4 era, you'll see how the models have evolved. Below the chart, there's a data zoom element that allows you to explore specific periods and discover, for instance, when you created more messages than the current capacity of GPT-4. The next module focuses on language detection from your messages. Remember, the primary goal of this module is to identify the main language. Detection of other languages may not always be accurate. The subsequent module contains information about the titles of conversations. Each title was analyzed and categorized into specific groups. This task is challenging, and the results may not always be accurate, especially if you communicate in languages other than English with the chat. This module may have a bias towards placing more titles into the technology category. The next module presents information about the most frequently used words, requiring the removal of stop words like this and which from your language. Analyzing the most frequently used words can reveal interesting facts about your usage. Sometimes, the distribution of words in your conversations can hint at your profession. The next few modules delve into the realm of natural language processing analysis. Please note that these modules are available only in English. The first of these provides information on the most commonly used adjectives, followed by verbs, places, people, and organizations. Keep in mind that these modules are experimental, and while they may not always yield perfectly accurate results, they can still offer intriguing insights about your communication patterns. The final two modules focus on sentiment analysis outcomes. The first presents the most positively charged sentences along with a score indicating the classification accuracy. And the second highlights the top negative sentences. We have now reached the end of our analysis. To utilize your report and create your persona, simply visit the persona page by clicking Visit Persona Page. Here, you can select the ChatGPT model responsible for creating your user persona. By default, the website detects if you have been using GPT-4 in the past 30 days and automatically selects this option. Follow the steps outlined. If you are using GPT-3, you will need to copy the instructions. Open the chat and paste them. Then, return to GPT dashboard to copy your report. If you are using GPT-4, there's one less step. Copy the report to your clipboard, open the link, and paste the report's content. The chat will automatically generate your persona. After some time, your summary will be ready. Then you can ask the following questions or generate an image that will represent you based on your data. That's it. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope this tutorial was insightful. If you find this project interesting, please visit the About page. You can find the link to connect with the author, and you will also have the option to support his current and future work. Thank you and happy analyzing.